guys. We got single motor VTE2. Track start, stop, read, zeroed out, track start. Just picking up. See if we can get a good run with this thing, guys. All right. Oh, got the bus coming down there. Let that bus get by, guys, and then we'll head down to that start. Buddy. All right. All right, guys. Gotta turn around here. All right, guys, road is clear. Here we go. All right. Good run. Guys, there's a ton of leaves down there. I spent a good 20 minutes or so trying to blow them off with the leaf blower and everything else, but they are all back on the road down there again. But it was a good run. Let's see. I didn't hold full throttle quite as long as I wanted to, but I had the just having all those leaves on the road has got me a little sketched out, so it's a clean pass, and that's what I'm happy about. It was a good run, so we'll see what happens, guys. All right. Whoo, guys, let us see. All right, picking up, stop, read. Oh, 199 again. Man, that was so close, guys, so close. So this is a single motor. Let's see if I can show you guys in here. We've got one motor, so I'm not gonna open this up just yet, but one motor. You guys can see an ESC on the other side. No motors up front. Okay. 199 miles an hour. I'll take it